I'm meteorologist Peter Chan at the National Weather Service for Alaska statewide weather on this Monday, January 12th. We're watching a strong area of low pressure that'll be lifting out of the North Pacific up into the eastern Gulf, and it will pivot back toward the north and west to the north side of Prince William Sound by early Wednesday morning. As this low swings out across the Gulf, it's going to force a strong front along the panhandle, and this front will have storm force winds with some locally higher gusts to low and hurricane force, especially along some of the ridge lines of the southern panhandle and the outer Gulf Coast. There is a high wind warning in effect for Tuesday later afternoon into early Wednesday morning. The southern panhandle will be the first to see these strong winds from the southeast. That'll be gusting at times easily up around 50, 60 miles an hour, and some of the ridge lines could see wind gusts of 70, even locally over 80 miles an hour. And as the day goes on, those stronger winds will spread northward all the way up along the northeastern Gulf Coast. Also, there will be some moderate to locally heavy rain. Fall amounts of 1 to 3 inches. In the far north, heavy snow will fall along the Klondike Highway, north and above Skagway, above 2,500 feet. Snowfall amounts could range from 12 to 20 inches with considerable blowing snow, especially as you approach White Pass. Now, further west, the cold air remains entrenched across southwest Alaska, including the Alaska Peninsula, on up through the areas around and inland from Kuskokwim and Bristol Bays, and then along and west and north of the Alaska Range, all the way up through the Yukon River. Some temperatures once again this Monday night into Tuesday morning could get down to around 50 below zero. That's just the air temperature. And also some blowing snow is an issue up along the Beaufort Seacoast, especially there in the vicinity of Kaktovik and Demarcation Bay. And as we look ahead later in the week, another area of low pressure, a strong front with an atmospheric river component, will lift out of the North Pacific and impact areas of south central and southwest Alaska, including the Alaska Peninsula, Kodiak Island, initially bringing snow that could change to rain and milder temperatures as we head toward Friday and the early weekend. Other than that, it still looks like the weather patterns to shift toward a little drier and a little milder air over the mainland once we get around and after January